Yes, it's snowing in Chicago. People make out like this has never happened before, and it's a horrible thing. However, now we're going to go across the street to the Walgreens. And we're doing that in the Envoy. And we're doing that because the Envoy has this very handy little thing called, as I turn on all the frosters, the Envoy has this handy little thing called 4-wheel drive low. Oh yeah, gotta put it in neutral. And now we're in 4-wheel drive low, which means that as soon as I hook up my seatbelt, we should be able to. There goes some people. Just like there was no snow. I'm going to leave it in 4-wheel drive while we go across the street. You can see Lincoln Avenue is a little slushy. And we got some cars down there.